How to zoom in and zoom out of a video on PowerDirector. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily use the zoom in and zoom out effect on PowerDirector. But before we get started, I just want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application on your PC and then go ahead and click on New Project. From here, your editing window will pop up on your screen. So all you need to do here is import the video that you want to edit. So I'm just going to go ahead and import this short video clip. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and drag this to my timeline to edit. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it and drop it right here. So once you have the video inside your timeline, you just have to click on it and then you'll find this edit button right here. Click on edit. Now you should be able to edit your selected clip. Now go ahead and select pan or zoom, click on it. And once you do that, you should be able to add a keyframe at the start of the video. And if you play the video, you'll be able to see here and where you want to add the zoom effect, you can just go ahead and add a keyframe there. To click on this keyframe right here. And then from here, just go ahead and play the video and choose where you want to zoom in. So in order to do that, now just go to the part where you want the zoom in effect to end. So let's say somewhere around here. Now all you have to do is drag this white corner inwards and it will start zooming in and you'll see the white dot at the center of your screen. You just have to move it to the point where you want to focus or zoom in. You'll also be able to see the real-time preview of the zoomed in effect at the right side of your screen. So let's say if I want to go ahead and zoom this white dot somewhere around right here. So I'm just going to keep it somewhere around here. You could also try to zoom in again if you want, something like this. And once that is done, your new zoom in effect will take place. And now you could do the same thing to move out of it. So let me just show you guys. So if I just play from here, it will start zooming in from here. Zoom in on this point. Now if you want to zoom out again, get to the point where you want to zoom out. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this place. Add a keyframe here, and for the zoom out effect to take place, what you can do is this is where the zoom out will start, and add another keyframe where the zoom out effect will end. So let me just add it here. Now on this keyframe, staying on this, you just want to move this back to the center and then adjust its size again to full size. So once that is done, it would look something like this. So if I just play it, from this zoomed in part, it will automatically zoom out. And now you have the normal video on normal aspect ratio. Now click on OK. So if I just play the video now, it will just start playing and zoom in on this place. And after a while, it will again zoom out of this place and will be a full video again. So that's how you basically use the zoom in and zoom out effect on PowerDirector. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Also share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one.